Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue without sugar. First, you'll need to carefully separate 3 large egg whites, making sure no yolk gets into the whites. Room temperature egg whites whip up much better, so let them sit out for about 30 minutes. Also, ensure your mixing bowl and whisk are perfectly clean and grease-free. Any oil can prevent the whites from whipping properly. Once your egg whites are ready, begin whipping them on medium speed until they become foamy. At this point, add about 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. This helps stabilize the meringue. Then, increase your mixer speed to high and continue whipping until you achieve stiff, glossy peaks. The meringue should hold its shape firmly when you lift the whisk. Now it's time to add the sweetness. Gently fold in about 1/2 cup of your preferred sugar substitute. Be careful not to overmix, as this can deflate the meringue. Once combined, pipe or spoon your meringue onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 1 to 2 hours, depending on their size. For perfectly crisp meringues, turn off your oven after baking and let them cool completely inside. This slow cooling prevents cracking and ensures a dry, airy texture. Once fully cooled, store your sugar-free meringues in an airtight container at room temperature to maintain their crispness. They can last for several days this way. Also, for other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.